Giga castings are the consolidation of what has traditionally been extruded, stamped, cast metal parts into a single front end or rear end body structure part. And Giga castings are all those individual parts are consolidated into a single piece casting. Giga casting is important because it is probably one of the most significant advances in body structure strategy and technology for several generations, probably as significant as when OEMs made the switch from steel body to aluminium structures. It was something that on paper has always had real tangible benefits, but the technology to enable that has never been present, and it has taken the pioneers of the concept of the technology to really drive that into the mainstream, and now it is so prominent it can't be ignored and there's no way to go back from that. Giga castings are a challenging piece on many levels. Number one, certainly for the automotive industry, they are the largest castings that has ever been produced. Previously, castings were the mainstay of cylinder heads or cylinder blocks or subframes or suspension uprights or large parts but not big parts. So there is a scale there that has had to be understood and then realised. But also the difference in Giga castings from those traditional castings, i.e. you have very thin walls, you have very long sections, you have different material property requirements, you have different alloy composition requirements in order to facilitate the actual casting, the filling of the part, and then the approach to how those parts can be heat treated, how the parts can be machined, just down to how the parts have to be handled, is not just a different approach, but it's a different mindset to what the industry is used to been working with.